So here we are working on Project Nova. Time to put some body bushings in. Those are new ones. These are the old ones. You can see it's really bad. Long past its buy now date. Another airplane in the sky. You live next to the airport, that's what you get. On the other hand, I can make lots of noise and nobody cares. There's a new bushing installed. I want you guys to take note of how nice this bracket looks. It's nice and square. The welding is atrocious, but that's GM welding. But I encountered a little bit of difficulty over here. That's going to require some extra work to make the bushing fit. You see this bracket? Can you guys tell how bent and distorted it is? I think that's coming through. Something happened over here. You know, these Nova SS's led a hard life apparently. So I'm going to use a combination of this bottle jack, this hammer, and this torch to heat up that metal and try and bend it back into a proper location. And you can see, I don't know if you guys can see how bent it is forward here. It's like really bowed out. At any rate, I'll try and straighten this out for you. If you have a problem like this, you could probably go to a frame shop, but you know, that's how we roll. We are our own frame shop. Pretty solid. This is probably not the right torch for this, but it's what we have. This thing is really bad. They probably make reproductions of these brackets. You just weld a new one on, which might be better. Stuck now, great. jack is the most unwieldy thing.
Don't touch that with your bare fingers.
Is it hot, Ed?
Oh, that thing is twisted too, huh?
Yeah. I have to heat the center to try and get it up more. It moved up a little bit.
Yeah, it's starting to move up too.
Perch just ran out of oxygen. Great. It's better.
Oh yeah, it's quite a bit better. This outside piece here is definitely shaped like it's supposed to be shaped.
Just want to take that guy a little bit down. Well, that's probably good enough for who it's for, huh?
It's quite a bit better than it was. So.
Yeah. All right, better. It's not great, but it's better. Let me get a wire wheel and clean it up. Well, it's cleaned up. It's bent back somewhat. It's definitely good enough for who it's for. All right. You can see that? I don't know if you guys, yeah, there you go. You can see that too. You know, I'm not a frame shop, but I play one on YouTube. God, do we even have a bushing for this? Oh yeah.
Oh, there it is. Nice.
Look at that. It fits nice, doesn't it?
Imagine that.
Yeah.
So you're gonna bend that one too to match.
I'm gonna bend it. some tension off that. Back one too, which you probably can't see.
Well,
I can't see it, but I'm using my hands as eyes.
I trust you, Tom. I'm not going to film it.
A little tension on this front one here. And there you go. That battery's almost dead, but it was still good enough.
It was good enough for one last bolt. Good.
Bad bushing.
Well, we'll go with the bad pup
Hey,
over
don't
here.
do all that. Nobody wants to hear you.
Bad bushing, bad pup.
Camera hand bushing out.
Look at that.
Oh,
That's how things come apart where it's not a rusty climate.
yeah, this is the Concord restoration job going on.
Right. Hi.
Your dog, Ed, he's very bad.
He's only saying hi, Tom. Come on. Repeatedly. Hi, hi.
You need a tiny hand to get in there. It's like frame rails, awfully tight.
I think fetus hands are the key. Hi, Jerry.
I wonder how they did this on the moving assembly line.
They had the babies do that part, Tom. Fetuses did that, I think.
The children of the workers.
Children, yeah.
They dropped the nut.
Did you lose it in the wood chips? Because you know you'll probably
No,
never
it
find
didn't
it.
go that far. Didn't go that far, Ed. We're not that bad off.
Well, that's
that
kind of
bad
not.
off.
You know, actually, you didn't hear it hit the ground. That could be a bad thing too. Hi. Hi.
I think it's really awkward to get to here. It's like if you use your fingers, you can't get them in there.
Oh. That's what they called the awkward guy on the assembly line to come in and give a hand. Hi. Hi.
Not giving up.
I'll pick you up when I'm done filming.
Not giving up, Ed. Let's reverse that guy.
Not gonna do it.
The battery's almost dead.
Perfect. That's how we roll.
Good enough for now. Can adjust that later.
Yeah.
Give it a little tweakage right now. Always use the proper tools, Ed. You never.
So this is the part we're not watching.
No, this is the best part. See how it slipped right in?
It's called improvement. You're improvising, you know.
I guess I can snug it all the way down. The freaking battery's dead though, Ed. That
Might
thing
have
is
to
not
do
charging
it.
me.
Might have to do it the old school way.
Alright, we're good enough.
All right.
So I've decided to pull these vent windows out to do a better job on the paint job. You know, it's really hard to mask around this kind of stuff. And plus the rubber is old, so I'll put new rubber on it. These, actually, I just noticed this is damaged too, Ed. We've got to get a new one.
No.
And so it's got these 3 Phillips screws that hold it in. You see that? And one, where is it? One nut right there. So I'm gonna pass the camera over to my friend Ed, who will hold it. We'll pull these 3 screws out first. Those screws are out. Yeah.
I'm not paying attention to those vice grips, am I?
You can if you want. That was a factory option, the vice grip security lock.
Just on the nose.
And so the way these things come out is you just push this part in, and then you swing it that way while pulling down at the top here. And you can rock it out of there. Oh, you know what?
In some manner.
I messed that up because there's actually this one's not missing the screw that the other side was. So let me put it back in place there.
Okay, this is reassemble it, okay.
So the beauty of editing is we'll be able to start again here.
All right.
Actually, there is no screw there. Okay, so you just push this in. This is the frame, the bottom mount of the frame. And then you rock it. If you can get it to rock like so, and you should be able to slide it on out of there. Look at that. And if you've ever done this on a Chrysler product, you'll be there a lot longer because they're not this easy.
No.
All right, we'll bring you back on the next step.